Remove Objects filter in PointStudio is ideal for removing objects on flat surfaces. Select the area of points with the object to be removed and the surrounding surface. The filter works best when the number of points on the ground is higher than the number of points of the object to be removed. On the Position and Filter tab, in the Filter group, select Filters, Remove Object. You can zoom, pan and rotate the preview using the mouse buttons. This behavior is the same as when manipulating the view window, except you don't need to hold down Alt. Remove Object will model a surface which will be used as an offset level. The offset level determines the points that will be filtered. The points above the offset level coloured red and the points below the offset level coloured yellow will be filtered. Objects that fall completely below the offset level will display as green and will not be filtered. Adjust the offset level to the desired height. To retain the object and delete the surrounding surface points, select the Remove Ground Points checkbox. In this case, the green and red colours are swapped in the previewer and only the red points are removed, while all others are retained. You can assign an attribute name, in this case Remove Object, and the value to Light Vehicle. Click OK or Apply. The object is now removed from view. To show point tag attributes, open Edit Attributes and select Point Tags. The light vehicle value created earlier will be available in the Remove Objects attribute. Toggle the visibility option to view or hide the light vehicle. Visit the online help for PointStudio for details around the Remove Objects filter. Contact maptek.com to find out more.